Hey, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a backdate entries. So suppose if you have missed an entry and you want to add it, right? So how can you add it? So first of all, you have to go to all entries and bill section. Then here you have to basically select your store. Suppose that we have selected Balaji stores, right? And then what our objective is to enter a backdate entry. So we want to create a backdate entry for that. So for creating a backdate entry, what we have to do, we have to come to the stock section. Okay, and suppose that if my apple, which is right now you can see 30 kg and 70 kg total in, right? When we will click it, we will get all the details, right? And we can see its entry also, right? All we can see here. But if we have missed any entry and we want to create a new entry, suppose that one of our transaction has happened in the last month and we have not entered it right now, so now we have to create a new entry. So for that, how we will do that, right? So for that, we have to simply, suppose that this is apple, we have to add a stock in entry, right? So we will click on add in, and then from here everything will be same, but from here we have to choose that date on which the stock has been in our store, right? So suppose that in July 2023, on 18th July, we bought a stock of apple from a party, and party name is basically, suppose that AAA, right? And then enter quantity, how much quantity, so suppose 2 kg, and this is the purchase price and everything we have mentioned here. Then we will save it. So this is how we will create a backdate entry. So one entry has been created, right, for stock in, and that is what backdate entry means, entry for the last month. How we can see that? So for seeing that, we can definitely come to here and we will be easily see that. So click, and then when we will go to July 2023, then we can see all the entries of the July. So basically our date was 18 July. So on 18 July, you can see here, right, AAA and apple 2 kg, this rupees amount is given here, and this entry has been created. So this is how you create a backdate entry. So if you have missed any entry and you want to recreate it, then you can definitely